indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Certified pre-owned and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.